Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials. Answering the question, what is the product of x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 2x plus 9? So to answer this question, we're going to translate this. When we encounter the word product, we are multiplying our polynomial x squared minus 4 and x squared minus 2x plus 9. So we will write it in this form. Yan. So we're going to write it in this form. So x squared minus 4 times x squared minus 2x plus 9. So there is a multiplication symbol between the two polynomials because of the word product. Okay? So now let me show you how to simplify this polynomial. So first, we're going to multiply the terms of our first polynomial to each term of our second polynomial, applying the distributive property. So we will multiply x squared and negative 4x to each term of our second polynomial. So let's start first with x squared. So we have here x squared multiplied to x squared. So x squared times x squared. Yeah. Copy the variable and then add the exponent. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So x raised to 4. Next, we have x squared multiplied to negative 2x. So remember, coefficient times coefficient, variable times variable. Remember that x squared has a coefficient of 1. So 1 times negative 2, that is negative 2. Then x squared times x, we have copy the variable x and then add the exponent. So 2 plus 1, that will be 3. So their product is negative 2x raised to 3. Then next, let's multiply x squared and 9, positive 9. So 1 times positive 9, so that will be positive 9. And since our 9 doesn't have any variable, we will just copy x squared. So copy x squared. So their product will be 9x squared. Okay, we're done with the first term of our first group. Let's proceed to our second term of our first group. So negative 4, let's distribute this to each term of our second polynomial or the second group. So negative 4 times x squared, that will be negative 4x squared. We will place it under 9x raised to 4 because they are like terms. So their common term is 9x squared. So we will place it under 9x squared. So we will place it here, negative 4x squared. Okay, next, negative 4 times negative 2x. So negative 4 times negative 2, that will give us positive 8. Then copy the variable x. And last one, negative 4 times positive 9, that will give us negative 36. Then after applying the distributive property of each term to each term of our second group, we will now proceed to our last part, which is to combine like terms. So in combining like terms, we will add the common terms. So let's start with x raised to 4. So since x raised to 4 doesn't have any partner, we will just bring down x raised to 4. Negative 2x cubed doesn't have any partner. We will just bring down negative 2x cubed. Okay. Next, let's proceed to 9x squared plus negative 4x squared. So since they have different sign, copy the sign of the larger number, positive, and then subtract. 9 minus 4, that will give us 5. And then copy the variable and its exponent. Their sum will be 5x squared. Okay, and 8x doesn't have any partner, so just bring down 8x, positive 8x. And last one, negative 36. Since it doesn't have any partner, just bring down negative 36. So our final answer, the product of these two polynomials will be x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 3 plus 5x squared plus 8x minus 36. Alright, Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.